Hi, as a part of my 20,000 kilometers cycling journey, I'm here in Chennai and I'm sitting here with Mr. Ram. He is the owner of one of the oldest restaurants here in Chennai. So, Mr. Ram, can you tell us a bit about history of this restaurant?
Hi, Jayant. It's a pleasure meeting you. Yeah, we have been here for 3 generations since independence, and my uncle was one of the key persons, Mr. Shyam Bhatt. After that, my dad, Mr. Hari Bhatt, and my cousin, Ram Prasad Bhatt. We specialize in Udupi cuisine, basically vegetarian, and in that itself, the Udupi cuisine, which is one of the oldest vegetarian cuisines.
Right. Okay.
So there's not much outside influence from the vegetables to the. So how it was cooked 100 years back or 500 years back, we're still cooking the same way.
Yes, right. I just had wonderful tomato soup. I've never had a soup like that. So, and of course, I'm looking forward.
I'm going to give you some rasam vada, and even when we try as much as possible not to use color, not to use unnecessary stuff. Try to keep it simple and healthy.
So this is about 120 years old restaurant, right?
Before my aunt restaurant, we were partners, but since independence, we have been just holding on. But the walls are 100 years old or more. We don't know. So it's all different timelines. At each time, they are built little by little. Okay. And recently, we had a restoration, and I've done the whole facade. Okay. So this is the new restored Matsya.
Okay. Actually, it was very interesting when you said that you have different clienteles throughout the day.
Yeah.
In morning, you have a different set of clienteles, and for lunch is different, for dinner is different. Can you tell about talk a little about that?
Yeah. So Egmore is a very area. Okay, and that's the rasam vada.
Okay, so that's a rasam vada that we're having, right? Lovely.
So
Thanks.
Egmore used to be a very British area, and there was all these administrative offices nearby. Still, you have the museum, the archives, the art gallery, the railway station. There's the Southern Railway headquarters. A lot of government offices nearby. So morning you have a very different clientele, and afternoon you get lots of sales guys, a lot of local people and all that. And once it becomes night, this place becomes dead officially. So you have a lot of families coming. And since we are vegetarian, we have a lot of North Indian people also coming, because we have been serving the excellent North Indian food for the past, so many decades. Very authentic North Indian food.
Well, that's very interesting. For one Udupi restaurant to serve so many different clienteles in a single day.
Exactly.
That's
because one is the location. The location is right in Egmore, which is very central, closer to the station, closer to the harbour, and closer to the new part, which is beyond the Gemini flyover. So that's why in the daytime we have a lot of official people coming, official, administrative. That's the kind of clients. But the moment in the night, locals from nearby residential areas come. And since we have been serving good North Indian food for all these years, we have a very huge base of North Indian clients only in the night. And since 1950, we have been serving Jain Sambar. We are the first people to introduce Jain Sambar. So our Sambar in the night is without onion and garlic.
oh,
That's our specialty. Rasam when it's hot.
great. Yes. let's enjoy the rasam vada, and I really am amazed at the whole hustle and bustle at this point in time.
And we open till 2 in the morning.
Restaurant. So you're open till 2 in the morning. Wow. And what time you start?
Morning 7.
7 o'clock. Wow, that's a lot of work. So thank you very much. And it's amazing to be here with you and knowing the history of this place. Thanks.
Thank you.